Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn the alphabet using these fun ice cream letter bars. Each ice cream has a letter on it, and inside we'll discover a picture that starts with the letter's sound. Are you ready? Let's begin! Our first letter is the letter A. What letter? A. A says the sound ah, ah. And we have, what's the picture? An alligator. Ah, ah, alligator. A says ah like an alligator. Next we have the letter B. B. B says b, b, b. Let's see what picture is behind B. It's a bear. B, b, bear. B for bear. B, 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 bear. Goodbye, bear. What's next? We have the letter C. C. This is the letter C. C makes the sound k, 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 k. The picture is a cat. C for k, k, cat. Cat. K, k, cat. Goodbye, C. Next, we have the letter D. D. What's behind the letter D? It's a dog. D, d, dog. D makes the sound D, like in dog. Goodbye, dog. Goodbye, D. Next, we have the letter E. E. E makes the sound eh, 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 eh. What's behind E? It's an elephant. E for eh, eh, elephant. Goodbye, elephant. Next, we have the letter F. F. What is behind F? It's a fox. F makes the f, f sound, like in fox. Goodbye, F. Next, we have the letter G. G. G makes the sound g, g, like in gorilla. G, g, gorilla. Goodbye, G. Next, we have the letter H. H. H makes the sound h, h, h. Let's see what picture is behind the letter H. It's a horse. H for horse. H, 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 horse. Goodbye, H. Next, we have the letter I. I. I makes the sound I, I, I. The picture is an iguana. I, iguana. I for iguana. Goodbye, letter I. Let's see what's next. We have the letter J. J says j, j, like in jellyfish. J for j, j, jellyfish. Goodbye, letter J. What do we have next? We have the letter K. K. Let's see what's behind K. Kangaroo. K for k, k, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. Goodbye, letter K. Next, we have the letter L. L. What's behind the letter L? L makes the sound oh, oh, like in the word lion. L for oh, lion. L, oh, lion. Goodbye, L. What do we have next? We have the letter M. M. M makes the sound like in mouse. Mouse. M, mouse. Goodbye, letter M. Let's see what's next. Next we have N. N makes the sound What's behind letter N? we have the word narwhal. It's a picture of a narwhal. Narwhal. Goodbye, N. Next, we have the letter O. O makes the sound What's behind the letter O? O for octopus. O for octopus. Goodbye, letter O. Next, we have the letter P. P makes the sound p. Our photo is a pig. P for pig. Goodbye, letter P. What do we have next? It's the letter Q. Q makes the sound qu. What's behind Q? It's a quail. Q for quail. Q for quail. Quail. Goodbye, letter Q. Next is the letter R. R makes the sound and our photo is a rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit. R for rabbit. Goodbye, letter R. Next we have the letter S. S makes the sound S. Let's see what's behind S. It's a snake. Hello, snake. S for snake. Snake. Goodbye, letter S. Next we have the letter T. T makes the sound t. What's behind the letter T? It's a tiger. T for tiger. Goodbye, letter T. Next is the letter U. U makes the sound Our picture is an umbrella. U for umbrella. Goodbye, letter U. Next we have the letter V. V makes the sound V. What's behind letter V? It's a vulture. V for vulture. V for vulture. Goodbye, letter V. Next we have the letter W. W makes the sound W. What's behind W? Wolf. W for the word wolf. W wolf. Wolf. Goodbye, letter W. Next we have the letter X. X for the word X-ray. X-ray. Goodbye, letter X. Next we have the letter Y. Y makes the sound y. Like in the word yak. Y for the sound y. Like in yak. Goodbye, Y. Next we have the letter Z. Z makes the sound z. Like in the word zebra. Zebra. Goodbye, letter Z. Wow, friends, we made it all the way from A to Z. If you enjoyed this alphabet adventure, don't forget to like this video, ask a grown-up to subscribe so you can join me for more fun and learning games. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next adventure. Bye!